financial freedom and flexibility with renting. Renting gives you a level of financial freedom that owning a home often can't. Without the commitment of a mortgage or the unexpected expenses of homeownership, your money remains more flexible. Imagine using that extra cash to invest, save for travel, or build a fund for future opportunities. Renting can be the perfect choice for anyone looking to keep their financial options open. When you rent, you're not tied to a long-term financial obligation like a mortgage, which can span 15 to 30 years. This flexibility is particularly valuable in uncertain times, or if you're just starting out in your career and need room to grow. Renting also allows you to avoid market fluctuations. If home values drop, you won't feel the sting of a depreciating asset. Instead, you can easily move to another property without the hassle of selling. But let's not forget the trade-offs. While renting keeps your finances more liquid, you're not building equity. That means your monthly payments are essentially going toward your landlord's investment, not your own. For some, this can feel like a missed opportunity, especially if they're financially ready to start accumulating assets. Even so, renting offers a lifestyle that prioritizes freedom and simplicity. It's an excellent choice for people who aren't ready to commit to the financial and time demands of owning a home. With fewer obligations, you can focus on what matters most to you, whether that's advancing your career, pursuing passions, or simply enjoying life.